Hey, it's Will Vitella, home technology expert. If you need to hire a true professional with 29 years of experience doing custom installations, clean and simple with hidden wiring, go to hometechnologyexpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate. Whether it's a family room surround sound system where the TV is mounted onto the wall, or if you have a television set like this, 85-inch TV over the fireplace with a Sonos ARC Dolby Atmos system and surround rear speakers built into the ceiling just like this with designer trimless grills, you can count on Home Technology Expert. Here you can see the subwoofer in the back of the room to give you that nice impactful bass. Let's take another look at the TV. Wow, look at that. Just clean and simple, flush against the wall with a very thin mount. And look at that sound bar, just having that beautiful floating effect, right? Where you can't see any wires. Absolutely great sounding system. Also, the system is connected with an Apple TV 4K. So go to hometechnologyexpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate for your TV and surround sound system professionally installed.